Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to know and learn a great concept of how to learn data science. Most of the trending concept nowadays, and anywhere you may find like a huge job opportunities in data science. What it is, how to start learning. We are learning now the step-by-step procedure using ChatGPT. I would like to ask to get this information. Are you interested to join here? If you are new to watching this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support only. Let's ask my question to hear how to learn data science. Let's see. Wow, ChatGPT is responding to learning data science requirement like a combination of theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, continuous learning process in some steps to learn data science. So beginning and starting like a fundamentals of data science to be start with the statistical, linear algebra, calculus, essential understanding core concepts where we have to focus on data science. If such a subjects are in your part of your academic, that will be help you a great. And the second point, what ChatGPT is suggesting, learning programming language of Python and R are the most popular programming languages for data science career. So choose one and start learning the basics from Python as well as R. You may find many of online courses, resources, tutorials and blogs where you can get started. Data analysis. How to clean, pre-process, analyze data tools like Pandas and NumPy, Python, data table, or R. So learning these things for analysis, future predictions, how you can get easily, that concepts you will learn here. The next one is visualization. How you are projecting and visualizing your data using Matplotlib, Seaborn, ggplot in R. Learn machine language. So the machine learning is a concept. Learn the basics of machine learning algorithms, supervised, unsupervised learning, decision trees, regression analysis. You can use libraries like scikit-learn in Python, caret in R to implement these algorithms which are readily available in Python libraries. Apply your skills, apply your real world problem statements to get a solution by practicing many of the working and real world projects and applications. Continuous learn as well as continuous practice is highly essential for these programming languages and core concepts. Keep yourself updated for latest trends, advancements in data science following industry blogs, conferences, online communities, super senior relations that will help you greatly. In less time, it will give you a kick-ass to find your career path very easily. Remember, learning data science is a continuous process to keep practicing and experimenting new tools and techniques which will help you to enhance your skills. Why are you late? You are aspirant to learn data science. You go with basic concepts of code to initiate from your computer system and start learning today. Hurry system is also offering core concepts of Python from scratch. Who doesn't know about coding and who comes with the background of non-coding? Yes, you can easily understand such a course. Try below link for enrollments of low price challenges. These are online courses. And if you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe for us and comment your views. Thank you.